Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Trendy of Fashion. How are you doing guys? I hope you are doing good. Stay blessed, stay happy and stay tuned to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then make sure you press the bell icon and subscribe the channel. In this way, you can get my all latest notifications. So guys, I know you are waiting for my latest video on your favorite topic. So guys, here you go. Today my video is about long layers haircut and all types of haircuts with long hairs. If you have long hairs, then this is really video for you friends. I will suggest you to watch this video till the end. In this way you can get one of your favorite among these ideas. So I share all the ideas with long haircuts. Most of them are long layered haircut which are trending these days. Instead of long hairs and layered hairs, there are other ideas too available in this video. You can choose according to your choice and according to the length of your hairs, and it's depend on your personality and depend on your choice that what kind of hairstyle do you choose for yourself. Well, these all ideas are really great. You can choose these haircuts with long bangs, short bangs, long layer haircuts, long wolf haircuts with Belraj colors, fashion colors, base one colors, or with highlights also. Well, no doubt, long layers always enhance the beauty of the personality, but every girl has no long hairs, and which girls have long hairs, they are really lucky. They can choose any kind of haircuts in long hairs, in short hair also. Well, let's see which haircut and which haircut with hair color attract you. You can let me know also with your comment through comment section. You can also share your ideas through comment section. I will make videos on these ideas as well. These will be my first priority, no doubt. If you guys appreciate and like my effort, then share my video to your friends, family members and social contacts. In this way, they will also know about the latest fashion through my video. Keep watching, keep supporting my channel. Your support will boost me always and give me energy to make more beautiful, more attractive and more amazing and relatable videos according to your ideas and choice. So guys, I will be there in next video. Till then, take yourself, and again, don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel, share and like also. Keep sharing, keep watching. Have a great hair day. Take care.